Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter honey. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, ensuring it's at room temperature and softened. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of your preferred honey. For an extra touch, consider adding a small pinch of fine sea salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's combine these wonderful ingredients. Transfer your softened butter into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then, pour in the 1/2 cup of honey directly over the butter. For the easiest and most consistent results, I recommend using either a hand mixer or a stand mixer. This will help you achieve a smooth, even blend right from the start. It's time to whip your butter honey to perfection. Start your mixer on a low speed to gently incorporate the butter and honey, preventing any splatters. Once combined, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Continue whipping for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice the mixture becoming significantly lighter in color and wonderfully fluffy, indicating it's ready. Your homemade butter honey is now complete. Carefully transfer the fluffy mixture into an airtight container. You can store this delightful spread at room temperature for up to 2 weeks or refrigerate it for longer freshness. It's absolutely perfect on warm toast, fluffy pancakes, fresh biscuits, or even drizzled over fruit. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.